What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mem the Barber. And yes, you guys, I am back. I know I've been gone for too long. But today, I decided to accept that every haircut challenge by 360 Jeezy. Dude, I'm going to tell you like this. I'm going to accept your challenge, but if you give me anything lower than a B, okay, anything lower than a B, we're going to have some problems. I'm going to cross over to your station, and I'm going to cut some of those waves off. So I expect a good grade, all right? So tomorrow I got like 13 clients I have to cut. Yeah. So I'm just gonna show the before and then the after. I got called out by that freaking guy over there. Wait, hold on. That guy right there.
He ain't even do his haircut.
You know, 360 Jeezy. But we gonna show him.
Hey, JP, this shit clean, 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 clean,
Alright, you guys, this is haircut number, I want to say 4, I think. Numero 4. How you doing, sir?
Good, good.
Cool, man. I got called out by 360 Jeezy, saying I have to record every haircut. So, yeah, I know, man. So, what are we doing today, bro? Same thing. Going back to live. All right, stay tuned.
clean, 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 clean,
All right, you guys, y'all be sure to get your Relly bow straight razor. All right, y'all make sure to get that. Alright, you guys, well, that was my number 6 haircut of the day. Well, I'm about to go to lunch, but I should be back at 2 take an hour lunch. I'll be back. Oh my God, can you back up? Yo, damn, man, look at my man, dude. Redo. Okay, you guys, so we're here at Best Buy. I'm actually recording off my phone, but I'm gonna try to get a mics from my camera. See you guys. Man, I realize that this Best Buy really doesn't have anything in stock, man. Look at this. Come on, man. You guys are Best Buy, right? Shit. Yo, check this out. This is how bad Vacaville Best Buy is. So I wanted to see what the hell this was, right? Voila. Nothing in there. Gone. Someone took this shit and took off, you know. But anyways, I'm gonna put this shit back before they think I did it. Okay, you guys, so I came out empty-handed. They didn't have what I was looking for, but I guess I'm just gonna continue bugging Jerry and then George with their mic. But anyways, it's better than nothing, right? All right, you guys, was number 7. I am back from lunch. I'm gonna do a mid fade. I'm pretty sure you're gonna keep the top, but just keep an update with it. All right, you guys, well, this is haircut number 8. We're gonna do a mid. Numero 8.
Man, I'm on number 3, bro. I'm due to all these fucking cancellations.
So I'm gonna try to bring my man back to life. Okay, stay tuned for that. All right. Are y'all good? I'm good, man. You wanna come on the video, man? It's all good. Talk to me. Hello. Yeah.
Clean, 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 clean.
All right, you guys, so that was my number 9 haircut of the day. Now we'll be working on number 10, so stay tuned. All right, you guys, well, this is client number 10. I'm probably gonna do like a high drop with the number 2 on top. See how it comes out, but this is number 10. Alright, you guys, well, this is my number 12 client of the day. Got one more and then I'm out. So stay tuned. Alright, you guys, well, this is the last cut of the day. It was number 13. Today I had kind of a slow day, but I got through all my clients, so stay tuned.
Why do you move so?
Alright, you guys, so today I completed 13 haircuts. I ended up accepting that challenge by 360 Jeezy. So like I said, it was that every haircut challenge. But I'm gonna tell like this, 360. Someone's calling the phone right now. I'm not gonna answer because I got something to say, okay? If you give me anything lower than a B, we gonna have some problems. I know where you work at. I might cut some of those waves that you got going on, man. So anything lower than the B, we're gonna have some problems. All right, you guys.